The next thing we can go to is the joystick functions. Okay. Now, just like we did with the conveyor and the pre-wet and the spinner, we can null the joystick functions. The first one we have is the hoist. Because we were in hoist mode last, it shows us what mode we're in right here. I'm going to do a calibrate. Has a min and a max. So if I start lowering this down, I move it till it just starts to get us a slow speed, I'll hit my minimum. You can let it return back to normal or the center position. Then you go as fast as you want it to go and hit max. So then you do the same thing for the up. So if you pull it back, so it just starts to go, pull it back, hit the max. That way we don't have a dead area in the joystick. So when you start moving it, it'll start raising, pull it back and it goes. So then we can go to the scraper, which is this function here. We'll go into calibration first. Select scraper now. Put my scraper down. Hit minimum. I'm going to raise it back up. Now I'm going to do the max down. Okay. Now I'm going to do the raise. Minimum. Maximum. Do scraper angle. Minimum. Maximum. Let's come back and do the other direction. Minimum. Maximum. Where you get good throw on your joystick. Calibration will save that. Now I'm going to go in and do the wing. Touch calibration, select our wing function. Wing, or the joystick to the right, will lower the wing. Get rid of the water. Minimum. Pull it back up. Let's select our maximum. Maximum. Then we'll do it raise. Minimum. Tell me when you like the max. Too fast, or is that good for you? Okay. Okay, let me go max then again. So there's your max. Now also in wing mode you can run your scraper. So we'll set that again for the scraper in this function. Min, max, do the raise, min, max. Hit calibration and save it. The only thing we did not do is the front plow, because you don't have a plow on it. So that can be set if you ever put a front plow on.
Does it have factory settings already in there for it?
It does. It should get you close. You should be able to use it if you need to put the plow on. Now the truck has been calibrated. So when you're all done with your calibration, we have a door here that you exit to save. And that has saved all the changes we did through the calibration.